red lentil cauliflower curry. That's what we're making tonight on the Vegan Test Kitchen. All the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. As I mentioned, we're doing curry tonight, so you're gonna need a lot of veggies to prep. One of those might be a bit of a surprise. We're putting some parsnips in there. That's right. So grab all the veggies you need. We're gonna prepare those first because once we start cooking, we're not stopping. Okay, you're gonna need a large onion, 2 shallots to start with. Now you want to grab either 1 large parsnip, or if you can't find one like me, grab 2 small ones. We're going to skin these and then chop them. We're going to peel and grate a 1/2 inch of ginger. And we're gonna mince a large chili pepper. You can do either serrano or jalapeno. It did not say anything about seeding it either, so it's gonna be a nice hot dish. And don't forget your cauliflower. Now you want this chopped into small florets. Make sure to rinse your brain. And because I'm me, I'm gonna try to fit all this on 1 cutting board. Aha! I did it. Alright, before we start actually cooking, grab a 1.5 cups of red lentils. You want to sort these and rinse them. Alright, we can finally start cooking. So we're going to grab a large stock pot, stick it on medium, and we're going to heat our oil in it. You can either use peanut or grapeseed. Okay, and then add your onion and shallots. We're gonna saute these for about 5 to 7 minutes until they get nice and soft and translucent. And from here on out, you're gonna need to move quickly. Add your grated ginger and your chili pepper. And we're gonna saute this for 1 minute. Now we're gonna add all of our spices, your curry powder, cinnamon, cumin, coriander, and turmeric. And we're gonna stir fry this for 30 seconds. Now we're adding our parsnip. And we're gonna saute this for another minute. And now's the time to slowly stir in our vegetable broth. Okay, and now we're gonna stir in our lentils. Once we do that, we're gonna raise this to a high. We're gonna get this to a boil. And we're gonna boil it for a minute. All right, it's time to give this a stir. We're gonna turn this down to a medium-low. Cover it. We're gonna simmer for 10 to 12 minutes. Fun fact! Cauliflower comes in 4 main colors: white, purple, orange, and green. But if you've ever noticed a yellow or green tint to your cauliflower, it's because it got too much sunlight. Farmers will tie the largest leaves around the head during its later growing stages to keep it a creamy white. Just 1 floret contains 10% of your daily dosage of vitamin C, and per gram even beats out oranges. It's been 10 minutes, let's check on our curry. All right, the lentils should be like a yellowish, which they are. A little mushy. Smells like a wonderful curry. Now we're gonna add all of our cauliflower. Make sure this is all coated well. And we're gonna partially cover this and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. You want the cauliflower to be tender, but not completely falling apart. All right, while that's cooking, grab your cilantro, chop up 2 tablespoons, and we're gonna need some lime juice as well. And if you're anything like me, you gotta have rice with curry. So cook it to your package instructions. All right, time to check our curry. I think this could stand to cook for another 5 minutes or so. All right, and once it is there, we're gonna add our cilantro, lime juice, and salt. Turn off the heat and let it sit for about 15 minutes. We're gonna make sure this stays covered. Let's try it. I was trying to figure out how spicy it was. It's a bit spicy. It's there, but it's not like kill you spicy. It has some nice flavors. The cauliflower is nice and tender. It has that wonderful deep curry taste. You get that slight hint of the cinnamon. All the spices just really come together well. You know, that's what a good curry is supposed to do. I'm a fan. You know what else would be good with this? The roti that we made the other night. So grab that, heat it up, scoop it in this. That's what it's for. The spiciness, to me, is perfect. All right, y'all, I'm gonna eat this because it's delicious. And if you like curry, you should make this. Pair it with some rice, pair it with some roti, and you're golden. I hope you liked what you saw today. If you did, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. And make sure to share and comment and subscribe and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time.